pacho ka KMPDU oketo koge winjruok ma kanyakla more kaka collective bargaining agreement kara CBA kingi kod osiptal maduong' mar Moi. Kagilose kinde chenro no mar keto kogno, apisa maduong' mar osiptal ma Moi Laktar Philip Kirwa kaachiel kod jagoro maduong' mar KMPDU Laktar Tela owacho ni ma en giko mar ng'anyo mar jochiw thieth e od thiedhno. Jotelo ariyogo koro dwaro sirkal mondo oket makare okumba mar thieth mar SHA kaluwore ni jotuo mamanyo chenro mag thieth ni kod midhiero kaluwore ni okumbano ok konygi kaka owinjore.
Today we have the opportunity to sign our CBA and I want to really thank KMPDU for the support that they've given us as we negotiated this to this point that we've agreed on all the things that were still outstanding.
This is now the second time in 2 years that we're coming back to sign a CBA in Eldoret. We signed a CBA on in the year 2022, October, which SRC refused or failed to give us a letter of no objection. As a union, we went to court, and it's out of the court struggles that this particular day has actually materialized.
Add and also remind the new SRC team that the purpose of SRC as a team is not that it is a union for the government. By taking an approach of being akin to a union for the government, SRC has led to a lot of bickering and industrial strife that has scared away even potential investors in this country. SRC should, in essence, work together with the labor industrial players to make sure that the labor industry is smooth.
Jolupe County Mauma Bay, Koro